As a pool or spa owner, nothing compares to the joy of a refreshing swim or a relaxing soak. But ensuring that your water is clean and balanced requires regular testing. Taylor test kits are trusted for their precision and accuracy, helping you maintain a healthy, problem-free pool or spa. Before testing, it's important to 1. Check the expiration date of your reagents to ensure accuracy. 2. Familiarize yourself with your test kit. Notice how the bottles are color-coded and arranged in sequence to match the instructions. 3. Always refer to your kit's specific instructions for the best results. Proper water sampling is the basis for accurate testing. Submerge your comparator or collection tube elbow deep into the water, away from return lines, and fill it to the level indicated in your kit's instructions. For reliable results, make sure your test water is always between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Taylor test kits require using different testing methods depending on what's being measured. Let's go over the most common ones. Method 1. Cap and invert. Add the designated number of reagents to your water sample. Secure the cap on the comparator, then gently invert it to mix the solution. Method 2. Use a treated sample from another test. After completing a test, some tests require using the same water sample for additional testing. For example, after conducting a pH test, you may need to add acid or base demand to determine what adjustments are needed. Always follow your kit's instructions to ensure accurate results. Method 3. Swirling with a drop indicator. First, add the specified number of reagents to the water sample, then cap and invert to mix. Then, begin titration by adding additional reagent 1 drop at a time. Count the drops carefully and gently swirl the water after each drop. Continue adding and swirling until the sample reaches the color change specified in your kit's instructions. The total number of drops used will determine the test result. Method 4. Swirling with a powder indicator. First, add the appropriate amount of powder to the sample and swirl gently. Next, add reagent 1 drop at a time, counting each drop and gently swirling the water sample as you go. Continue adding and swirling until the sample reaches the color specified in your kit's instructions. The number of drops used will determine your test result. To read your results, hold the comparator at eye level in natural light, preferably against the sky. Match the color of the sample to the provided color standards to determine the levels in your water. To prolong the life of your test kit, store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and chemicals. By monitoring and balancing your water chemistry, you protect both your investment and the people who enjoy it. Taylor's reliable test kits make this process simple and effective, ensuring that your water is ready for every swim or soak. Taylor test kits, designed for accuracy, ease, and peace of mind.